Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Choose a focused niche of local businesses to review for audience trust. Create a public Google profile with a clear photo, bio, and contact email. Write detailed reviews with photos, hours, menu items, pricing, and exact addresses. Publish 3 to 5 helpful reviews weekly to build a visible posting history and credibility. Link your blog, YouTube, or local guide to capture traffic and monetize referrals. Accept sponsorships, affiliate links, and consulting, but always disclose paid relationships clearly. Follow Google policies and avoid incentivized or fake reviews to protect your account. Optimize each review with keywords that local searchers use, including neighborhood names. Add accurate business categories, menu items, service types, and dish names for visibility. Create Google Maps lists and share them on social media and your blog. Collect emails from readers by offering a free local guide or map download. Promote sponsored posts or affiliate deals after you reach 500 monthly map views to start earning. Use analytics to track clicks, referral income, and conversion rates for each listing. Be transparent about paid content and keep review quality higher than ad content. Offer consulting packages to improve Google Maps listings and local review presence. Price hourly consulting from $0 to $00 or sell packages for $00 to $200. Sell downloadable local guides or printable maps for $5 to capture sales from readers. Use affiliate links with commissions between 5% and 25% for bookings or products that recommend local businesses. Run targeted local ads and promote your best reviews as sponsored posts to convert interested users. Hire vetted reviewers and contractors as needed while enforcing quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.